Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a gradient background for your design in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and this gradient background is a new feature from Canva where you can instantly or easily add a gradient background. So first I'm going to just open my design. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the second page, and here to change the color into a gradient you just need to click on the color options at the bottom. And here this is the default colors or solid colors that you can choose, but to create a gradient you can just scroll down until you find the gradient section, and in here you can choose the gradient colors that you want. So for example, I want to add these gradients right here. Just click on the gradient that you want, then click on close, and after that you can just start designing your project. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.